Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Marcel in Mobile Legends. Now, let's get started. So, Marcel is a very aggressive hero that thrives in close combat, which means your main goal is to get in, deal damage fast, and get out before the enemy can react. He's great for players who like fast-paced, high-pressure gameplay, especially in the early to mid-game. When you're starting out, you want to focus on farming and getting your core items as quickly as possible. Marcel becomes much stronger once he has his first few items, so don't rush fights too early unless you're sure you can win them. Once you're ready, look for isolated enemies, and this is where Marcel really shines. In fights, timing is everything. You want to engage when enemy skills are on cooldown, and then go all in with your combo to burst them down quickly. Always aim for the enemy backline like marksmen or mages since they are easier to eliminate and can turn the fight into your favor instantly. Another important thing is positioning. Don't just dive blindly. You want to wait for the right moment, flank from the side, and surprise your enemies. Marcel is strongest when enemies don't see him coming. As the game goes on, your role shifts a bit. You're no longer just picking off enemies. You also need to help in teamfights by creating pressure and forcing enemies to reposition. Even if you don't get kills, just threatening their backline can already give your team a huge advantage. Also, always keep an eye on the map. Marcel players who rotate well and show up at the right time are the ones who carry games. And that's about it. That's how you play Marcel in Season 40. Farm smart, pick your fights carefully, target the backline, and always look for the perfect timing. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!